I went out with Trailbender Overland last weekend. I put their information in the description. He got some great footage on a DSLR, but unfortunately had to take off for Overland Expo. He's doing some Overland before the Expo. So we went out again this weekend. I didn't get great footage, but I'm showing you what I did get. I wanted to address Flex for a minute. The official Ram social media posted my truck last week, and I noticed there were a lot of comments talking about how the rear wheel was floating and there's not much flex. And that's absolutely true. There's not much flex on the Ram 1500s. It has IFS, and added to that, you know, it tows and it holds a lot of payload, and I'm here overlanding with no weight in the back yet. Going up an obstacle with the weight pushing on the back flexes it much better, and once the rack's done with the rooftop tent, it should flex a tiny bit more. There's no quick disconnect kit yet for the sway bars, but I was taking a look at them and pretty easy to remove. I might try that next time. So everybody who's commenting that the truck doesn't flex is correct. I just wanted to add a little more context. Besides that, enjoy my half-assed off-roading footage. If you didn't like this video, remember to hit that dislike button. Thanks.
Because if you gun it right there, your front end will hit. So you got to gun it once your tire hits this. Go, 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 go. That's it though. I'll tell you when to gun it. Crawl. Crawl. Gun it!